Come again.
On our way to Byron so I can get the rest of the stuff I need. And yeah, stay tuned. Byron, that's a big dog. Alright, cool, bless. But yeah, this is everything I'm kind of working with. Here's the battery I'm using. This is a Sauron throttle. And yeah, that's what I want to run on this. Alright, wired that up. Alright, let's see if we got power. See if we got that E-Lucky power, fam. Alright, that's on. Okay.
Got trails with that.
Let's be so for real. Day 2. And then I got everyone else right here. Oh no. Oh no. Windy out there.
Creeping through the rain. Make them feel our pain. Shoot a little bro, we start going and say we drop blood and tips.
Bye, wait. Land it. Ooh! What? It's like guys in Byron right now and like some
To the storm, bro.
What was he doing?
He slid straight into this pole.
So right now we're about to go Highfield. Already pulling up for no reason. Pardon?
Just riding round?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's alright, no worries.
Alright.
They don't know what we're doing that.
Huh?
What?
He messed us.
Oh! Well, Highfield's right now charging up. Oh! Forget all that. Not on these drop off. Let me get that. Yo, keep do it. Yo, do it again. Do it again. Wait, is that? Oh yeah, that's him. Oh my dirt, J2 anti. Alright, so we just finished charging. Now guys are about to pull out and yeah, get some traffic work. Do a little burnouts. I'm gonna see if I can make this smoke. Bike's not even on. Wait. Yeah! Yeah! Oh! Oh my dear!
Do a little bit of wheelie in the bit. Oh shit! Oh shit! J2's gonna have to send me this footage. I'm gonna be fucking doing full speed tests. 3, 2, 1.
So yeah, how you feel after that one?
10 out of 10, bike.
10 out of 10 bike.
Oh my god.
Like there, yeah, you could bun all your soul runs.
Put in the hood, we in the Renzo's crib, y'all. Like, peace out, gang. Like, it's good. Peace out to the crib.
Subscribe to J2 Ansi.
Peace out, man.